everyone, welcome back to On to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to download Twitch on your mobile phone. So if you wanna know how to download Twitch on your mobile phone, then watch till the end. So to get started, go ahead and tap on Play Store application on your mobile phone. Once you are inside Play Store, in the search box type in Twitch and search it, and in the search result this Twitch app will be appeared. Click on the install button to download it on your mobile phone. Now wait till the few times and it will be installed on your mobile phone. Once it has been installed on your device, you can see the open button there. Click on the open button to launch the application, and this is how easily you can download Twitch on your mobile phone. So if you found the video to be helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.